wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Wi-Fi drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you got your heart set on that champagne brand for a beer budget price, the DJI Tello could be the droid you're looking for. Designed for FPV operation with VR headset support, it features toss to launch as well as automated takeoff and landing capabilities. It's equipped with easy shots for effortless videos and offers excellent stability and maneuvering. However, its image quality is not the greatest. At number 9, to the usual complement of flight-ready foldable camera features, the Yuneec Mantis Q adds voice commands such as wake up, take a selfie, and record video. It uses facial recognition to take portraits from up to 13 feet away and responds to gestural controls too. You just have to smile to activate its face detection, and it's energy efficient for more airtime, but it's not equipped for collision avoidance. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While it may not be quite ready for prime time as far as serious photographers are concerned, the Eachine E58 is an affordable and capable option for folks who just want to have some fun with their selfies and maybe get a bird's eye view of the surrounding scenery. It folds up for compact storage and includes a built-in camera with a 120-degree field of view. However, you get only about 7 minutes of operation per charge. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Wi-Fi drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the DJI Spark is a pocket-sized powerhouse that packs an audacious punch for a machine no bigger than a snack cake. Using facial recognition to launch it from your open palm, you direct it with hand gestures to capture incredible aerial snapshots and motion photography. It's equipped with autonomous obstacle avoidance and wind-resistant stability control, but its video is limited to 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Moving up our list to number 6. The Autel Robotics Evo incorporates dual GPS and GLONASS navigation systems with a return-to-home failsafe to ensure that your gear gets where it needs to go without running out of juice. Use it to capture stunning 12-megapixel still images and spectacular 4K videos at 60 frames per second. It features a hands-free hovering capability and a controller with a built-in OLED screen. However, know that lighting changes can affect its tracking. Halfway up our list at number 5. The foldable rotor arms on the Holystone HS220 aren't just for space-saving storage. They can be extended outward for carrying out more agile aerial maneuvers and flying in 3D VR mode, or tucked inward for a tighter profile and greater stability in the air. It offers a transmission range of over 100 feet, 1 key takeoff and landing, and 15 minutes of flight time. At number 4, boasting omnidirectional sensors, low-latency video transmission, and active subject tracking with 3D mapping of the environment, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is equipped to take on almost any challenge, whether it's following a speeding car or filming birds in flight. It features cutting-edge navigational technology, a Hasselblad 20-megapixel camera, and a half-hour of continuous operation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. An entry-level price and affordable design make the Syma Z1 a great way for novices to try their hands at piloting remote-operated aircraft. It's easy to fly via smartphone app integration with customizable flight paths and a 90-degree swiveling camera for recording at 720p. It comes with a gravity sensor mode and power loss protection, and it's compact enough to tuck in a pocket. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Wi-Fi drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, intelligent navigation systems and advanced image capturing technology come together with exceptional ease of use in the Holystone HS700, a mid-range option that can be launched at the press of a button and automatically returns to base as soon as the battery runs low. It boasts waypoint flight path planning, 20 minutes of uninterrupted flying time, and quick-release propellers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, remarkably stable even at higher flight speeds, the DJI Mavic Air can stay aloft for up to 21 minutes per charge, using multi-directional sensors to navigate around obstacles in its path in order to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and create 32-megapixel full-sphere panoramas. It's equipped with advanced pilot assistance systems, active tracking of up to 16 subjects, and smart capture gestural controls. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Wi-Fi drones, or simply click beneath this video.